It's funny, right, because this brings back a really random memory about my mother. And I haven't thought about it in years, and it was when I was a kid, and I was crying for some reason or other. And she was holding me and rocking me back and forth. And all I could see were the balls in this, just moving back and forth. And my nose was just running, just streaming with snot. And she pulled down her sleeve and just got me to blow my nose on it. And I remember thinking, even as a little kid, wow, this is love. This is love. And it felt so good, so safe. I didn't feel safe very often.
Oh Lord, I'm never going to be able to get all these.
It's funny, right, because that's one of the only memories I have. But she wasn't sad. No one was prodding her to make her happy. She was just there.